Need to correct errors on your TransUnion credit report? The first step is getting your hands on the official dispute form. You can find it directly on TransUnion's website, transunion.com. Navigate to the Dispute a Credit Report section. It's usually available as a PDF download or a fillable online template. Alternatively, the Consumer Financial Protection Bureau, CFPB, offers a universal dispute form on consumerfinance.gov that you can adapt. Remember to avoid unofficial third-party sites to ensure data security. The form is offered in both English and Spanish, with accessibility options like large print and screen reader compatibility. Once you've filled out the form, the fastest way to submit is online. Log into your free TransUnion account, complete the form digitally, upload any supporting documents like statements or receipts, and submit. You'll get instant confirmation. If you prefer mail, download the form, print it, and send it to TransUnion Dispute Department, P.O. Box 2000, Chester, PA 19016-2000. Include copies of your ID and evidence, and consider using certified mail for tracking. Finally, you can call 1-800-916-8800 to initiate a dispute over the phone. But remember, this usually needs to be followed up with written confirmation. Disputes must be filed within 60 days of getting your credit report, and TransUnion has 30 days to respond, as required by the Fair Credit Reporting Act, FCRA.